Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can get clients for your digital marketing service for any kind of service like website designing service, say for like graphic designing service, video editing service for any kind of service. How you can get client using LinkedIn groups. As you know that I've already made a video on the topic how you can get clients using different ways on LinkedIn. Now I'm going to dig deep into how you can get clients using LinkedIn groups without sending connection request because you know guys that if you want to uh, get clients on LinkedIn, so we need to first send connection request to our prospect, and if they will accept our connection request, then we can start our convo. But in this video, you will get to know that how you can send message to to your prospect without sending connection request. Okay, so first of all, before reaching out to your prospect using LinkedIn groups, you know that you need to first identify your ideal customer avatar. You need to first understand this thing that who do you want to work with, because we can't work with everyone. We need to specify our industry, in which industry do I want to work with, in which uh, industry do I want to give service to my clients. Okay, so that's why you need to identify your ideal customer avatar, and based on that you need to find those groups. Let's say you want to work with coaches, you want to work in coaching industry. So what you can do, you can type here coach, okay, and click enter. And now here you can see that there are so many options you will get here: services, groups, people. And I've already shared with you about the people. If you click on people, then LinkedIn will show you only those people who are coach. Okay, but if you change this from people into groups, then you will get so many groups there which are related to coaches. Okay, so in this groups there are so many coaches are hanging out. Okay, there are so many coaches you can see, and that is your potential client. Okay, if you so if you you need to first join those groups one by one. Okay, and then after joining this group, here you can see that after joining uh, some coaches group or some any groups in which case you want to add. Okay, so now you need to click on show all members. Okay, here you can see that there are so many coaches. She's a mindset trainer coach. He's not a coach. He provide his service to coaches. Okay, so you don't need to reach out to him to like this person. Okay, and here you can see that transformation executive coach, leadership coach. So you can reach out to this person. So like this type of person you can reach out to them. Okay, and you can pitch your service to them. Now I will show you that how you can uh, send message without sending connection request. So first of all, you know that guys, if you want to uh, connect, if you want to talk to your prospect on LinkedIn, so you need to first connection request. As you know that you can send connection request from here. If you click on more button, so here you can see that uh, okay, so here you can send connection request without a note, and if you want you can also add a note here. Okay, and then you can send connection request. Right now I'm not going to show you that how you can send connection request, because this is not the purpose of this video. I want to share with you that how you can send message to your prospect without sending connection request. So if you want to connect with these people, so what you can do, you can click on the message button. Okay, okay, and if you want you can write subject line here, but if you don't want, you can leave that. Okay, now here you can write your message, whatever script you have, okay, based on, or if you want you can send personalized message, because as you know that personalized message will really help you a lot to get response, to get good responses from your prospect. That's why you need to send personalized message. Okay, so I will share some. Here you can see that, okay, you can send message like this. Okay, hey, or you can change the name of that person. Hey, okay, I see that you are in the coaching business, whatever intelligent leadership coach mentor group. Okay, you can mention here, you can change the name of that group, and would love to add you to my network of professional. If you're open to that, let's connect. Okay, you can also send this message, but if you want you can direct pitch your services. Okay, so you will get message script on Google and on YouTube. You can copy that script and you can reach out to this prospect. Okay, and whenever you also need to understand this thing. Whenever we will send message from this method, so uh, uh, this message will go into uh, request in this option, other option. Okay, in the means request message. Okay, so if they will see your message, so they will accept it, or they can if they want they can start the convo with you. But if they don't want, or if but if they don't want, then they can decline your message and you can't talk to them. Okay, so hmm, so that's how you can reach out to your prospect using LinkedIn groups without sending connection request. Okay, and you don't, and also the most the good part of this method is that you can send also follow up message, any n number of follow up message. Okay, or n number of message that you can send through this way. You don't need to be worried about. Okay, you can send n number of people. But I think at this time, LinkedIn has changed their policy. Okay, we need to upgrade our LinkedIn account. Then we can send message to group members through this way. Okay, but in the past, before 5 to 6 months ago, we can easily able to send message through this way. Okay, we don't need to worry about at that time. But right now we need to first upgrade our LinkedIn account, and then we can use this method. Okay, so that's it guys, that's it, how you can send message to your group members without sending connection request, and you can scale your business. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.